Every year, massive wildfires around the world impact ecosystems and threaten people's lives. In most cases, human activities are the cause of wildfires. Since 2021, Tropenbos International has been working on reducing wildfire risks. Effective fire management requires collective action, ignited by collaborative learning, empowering communities, shared governance, and improving policies and practices. Fires are a shared enemy. They therefore also provide a common entry point and can bring stakeholders around the same table. Effective fire management starts with a shared understanding of the problem, leading to a joint solution. Communities play a crucial role in landscape fire management. Improving their awareness, decision-making, and adaptation of new methodologies is essential. Inclusive and shared governance are crucial to make effective decisions on the reduction of wildfire risks in a landscape. The development of policies and practices is necessary to manage wildfire risk, aiming to strike a balance between prevention and mitigation. Tropenbos International emphasizes the opportunity to learn from valuable experiences and practices in the tropics and calls to mobilizing international climate funding for wildfire prevention and preparedness.